here to show you this high capacity laundry pods I found on Amazon. First off, it's a nice small case with a nice handle on the back for gripping, easy to open and easy for storage. As you can see when you open these up, these are 2-chamber laundry pods. They're long-acting bacteriostatic pods, long-term, the 90-day fragrance in your fabrics. They smell wonderful. They have the great fragrance with them and great scent for keeping your laundry clean and keeping the bacteria and the enzymes out of your fabric. They're rich in cellulose enzymes, very easy to use and easy to put into your washing machine. They're soft on your fabric. Since I've started using these, they have been great on my fabric. They remove the odors in towels or your beach towels in your fabric. Nicely designed, very great price on these laundry pods, and they've protected the color on my laundry as well. There's no fading, no plastics left in my washer. These dissolve in the wash and are easy to use. These 2-chamber laundry pods I've been very satisfied with. I found them on Amazon.